Spray out gun 101.
What's up,
Come
guys?
get some. Have some fun.
It's Brian and Dre here at Kaizink,
You
and
know it.
if you happen to get grease on your garment from the heat press in the DTF department, use the spray out gun. Now, as Dre has demonstrated here, you wrap it around the cup that is next to the spray out gun, pull it nice and tight. And Dre, what happens if you spray that thing close up?
It's going to shred it. It's going to rip it like soggy cereal. So you don't want to be right up on it. You want to back up and do short bursts as if you're in the Green Berets, Navy SEALs, or Special Forces. Observe.
So he's probably 3 inches away.
At least. And you can run it through the dryer if you're not satisfied with the outcome. Just come back and repeat the same sequence. Get it right. Leave it better than you found it, people.
Cool. Thank you, Dre.
You're welcome, sir.